Hi everyone and welcome. Lauren again here from Acting Classes in Perth. This is episode number 10 of the Acting Classes in Perth Your Questions Answered daily show. The show where I answer your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single day, rain, hail or shine, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. That's right, we're doing it here on Facebook Live and YouTube Live simultaneously. Technology, isn't it amazing? Well, I would like to start off by giving you a huge shout out, a thank you if you are watching us at the moment. Thank you so much to you guys. Thank you to everyone for tuning in with us here on our daily show. Of course, every single day at 7 p.m. I answer your questions, and today is no exception. We have another question today from Ashley Minson. Now, we're going to get into that very shortly, but before we do, let's roll the intro. Alrighty, here we go. We're jumping straight into Ashley's question in just a sec. But first of all, if you are watching us, please give us a big thumbs up on Facebook or on YouTube, or leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to know if you have any questions that you would like featured on the upcoming episodes, or maybe you just want to give us a hello or a g'day or a hi. Hey, give us a shout out. We would love to hear from you. Alrighty, here is Ashley's question for today.
Hey Lauren, why do so many actors end up directing?
Ashley, thank you so much. What a great question. It does happen a lot, not all the time, but a good decent amount of the time that an actor will progress over to directing at some point throughout their career, and there's probably a few reasons for that. First and foremost, I think that the actor is at some stage going to look for more challenges, more creative control in some respect, and throwing the word control in there does not make it a bad thing. But I think the actor is probably looking at how they can explore the understanding and the telling of a story in greater depth and in maybe more of a holistic or even totalistic sense, right? So they are looking for a way to tell their story, to tell specific stories, and you can only do so much of that from the actor's chair, right? To then kind of move over and transition into the director's chair, I think gives you so much more power or creative control or creative power, and not power in like a dictatorship, but power in more of the leadership role, right? Like it's your ability, it's your desire to want to tell a story from your point of view or from the character's point of view that you feel is the direction that it should go in. So I think from many actors' standpoints, the progression over to directing is quite common. And then on the flip side of that, you also have the fact that, hey, if you're directing some of the time and you're acting some of the time, you've got more work, right? And hopefully more paid work rather than just acting or just directing. So I think that's also, quite prevalent, and it does play a part for most of the actors/directors out there. It enables them to have more time working in the industry. And I think also it's a really, really great way for an actor to improve, I guess you'd say, their overall performance skills, understanding where the director's coming from and understanding their approach, but then also vice versa, right? Like we have a lot of young wannabe directors that come and study with us here at Acting Classes in Perth because they want to know what it's like to be an actor. So when they're directing actors, they understand the process, they understand the way the actor thinks, and I think that is a really mature choice. I think that any aspiring actor, any aspiring director needs to understand both sides. And how are you going to do that? Well, by the most part, you're going to jump in and you're going to get your feet wet and you're going to have a bit of a paddle. And figure out how it all works, right? So I think at the end of the day, Ash, there's probably a few reasons there. I hope I've answered your question. And if you liked Ashley's question, please share it, click the share button, and do your part to help local actors. Now, on top of that, if you are watching us here on Facebook, please give us a like on our page. Also follow us, stay updated with everything we're doing. If you're watching us though on YouTube, click the subscribe button and then make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll stay connected with everything we are doing. Now, if you're listening to us on iTunes, simply click the subscribe button and we will reach out to you every time a new episode goes live every single night. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another awesome question answered by me. But until then, I want you to stay safe, stay happy, and like always, happy acting.